Android cell phones can be pretty confusing if they aren't configured properly for a senior. Luckily, when you take the time to do this, it can enhance safety, help a senior stay socially connected, provide entertainment, and of course, manage your everyday needs such as health and banking. Other reasons you might want to do this is if your vision, hearing, dexterity, and/or memory aren't what they used to be. Fortunately, Android cell phones can be set up to overcome these challenges fairly easily. Welcome back to The Curious Senior. I'm Shar, and today we're going to look at how you can set up your Android cell phone as a senior. Now, these are the simplest methods that I found that produce proven results. First and foremost, let's start by removing unnecessary apps. Cell phones come equipped with a lot of apps that most people never use. You may also add apps for travel, banking, and other needs. Before you know it, your cell phone is cluttered with apps. That just makes things too complicated. To uninstall unused and unnecessary apps, you can use two methods. The first one, and the one I tend to use, is tapping and holding on an app icon on the home screen. When you hold it long enough, a menu appears, and all you have to do is choose uninstall. The second way that you can do it is through settings. Go to settings and find apps, then find the app you want to install and choose uninstall. Of course, you want to avoid deleting any apps specific to your phone that might have anything to do with updating apps, making payments, or managing smart devices. Now, if you don't know what an app does, just go on Google and check before you remove it. Once you've cleared all your apps, restart your device. Now, for those with eyesight or texting issues, voice is a great solution. You can use voice commands like call Beth or open photos to operate your device hands-free. Now, here's the processes to activate them. Screenshot this screen if you want to refer to this information later. Samsung has its own methods, but most other phones follow the same procedure. For Samsung, go to Settings and Accessibility. Tap Installed Apps, then go to Voice Access, and then toggle the voice access on. Then there's another setting just below it called Settings. Go on to that, tap Activation button, and why you want to do this is it adds a button to every screen for voice activation. Other Android phones, you use Google Assistant. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, tap Hey Google, and Voice Match. Turn on Hey Google and follow the prompts to train your voice. Once you've activated that, you can make calls, send texts, or open apps just by using your voice. Now, seniors may take longer than others to get things done on their Android phone. That's why I suggest you increase the screen sleep time to prevent it from locking while you're using it. Just go to Settings, Display, and tap Screen Timeout. You can choose a longer duration. Most phones offer between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, so set it the way that you like it. Now that you've cleared your phone of a lot of clutter, I suggest you do add another app. If you don't have a magnifier flashlight app, definitely add one. It's very handy for seniors. You can switch on the flashlight whenever you need it and increase the size of whatever you're looking at by up to 10 times. The arrow button on the app freezes the image like you're taking a photo, so you can easily read everything without hand wobble. I've provided a link to this one in the description since I use it and know it works well. Now, another app that I suggest that you install is a launcher. Now, a launcher is an app that changes the look and feel of the home screen and how you can interact with your apps. For seniors, there are several great options that make things a whole lot easier. Now, I'll recommend 3 ad-free, cost-free options later on, but I think it's important you know why they're so important. Launchers are great because they offer a simplified home screen with large icons and text. It also locks the layout so you can't accidentally delete or move your apps. They are all equipped with high contrast themes that you can see easily during the day or at night. You can also pin your favorite apps such as photos and contacts to the main screen. And there's a dedicated emergency button. So if you're ever in trouble, you can just hit the button, one tap, and it'll contact your preset emergency people. Some apps also include things like safety features for a low battery. And probably the most important thing is they don't store your data in the cloud. It's stored right on your device, so there's not any cybersecurity issues. Now, the 3 apps that I recommend are ones that I researched. They're ad-free, cost-free, and they're all highly rated on Google Play. Plus, they always update them, so you know you're going to get the latest technology. All the links are in the description for these 3. They are Elder Launcher UI for seniors, Senior Launcher Simple Phone, and finally, Senior Home Easy Launcher. You'll do fine with any of these 3. Now, if you struggle with tech, you might consider installing a remote access app so that you can have a friend or family member remotely assist you if you have technical issues. After all, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to do something and not being able to figure it out. Remote access allows a person to troubleshoot and fix things without you being with them. Just make certain that you trust the person that you grant access to completely. TeamViewer is a highly rated app that's been around for years. I put the link in the description for this as well. Now, if you got anything out of this video, please subscribe. It really helps. Android phones are great tools, and if you want to get the best of it, please follow some of these tips. We want it to work for you. Your comments are also welcome. If you know something that works well on your Android, let me know. My next video is a big one. It's a senior's guide to avoid AI scams. As you probably know, this is a growing concern around the world, but particularly for seniors. We want you to stay safe and curious. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, and bye for now.